going to do a walk around of truck 21. Here's the pump. Then we have Goodyear tires. Here's the white hood and the red truck. Then another Goodyear. Then the thing that lets the stuff out. Here's the tank for the truck. Here we can hold 8 pipes. Here's the prod and hook and ladder. Here's the exit thing that lets all the stuff out, and here's the one that lets all the stuff come in. This is the scale for the truck. Then over here we don't have much. Here's the grab hose. Then here's inside the cab. So let's go. Okay guys, we are about to empty all the oil from yesterday. So let's put the oil down. Yep, that's right there. Now we're going to put oil in. Let's put a little more in. Here we go. Now we're going to go over and see how much it's coming out. Probably should lock down the hood. Now we're going to put these away and start up the truck. We're almost done. Now let's get 21 started. So yeah, this is what 21's tank. It is a 2,500 gallon tank. Now let's start it up. Know what that is? Flasher, air brakes, neutral drive reverse, radio, and that's mostly it. So now we're going to do this. So that's good. Now that's done. So yeah, well, that's the end of the video, guys.